This great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, cruise control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.